New Year, new mukbang! Yay! Samahan nyo kaming i-pre-check itong ating fried chicken. Okay, it's Golden Crunch time!
Magnolia Golden Crunch Original Breading Mix is made with premium flour, starch at tamang blend ng 7 seasonings and spices. Sure tayo na-enjoy yung mukbang pag nag-pre to check ka with Magnolia Golden Crunch.
Amoy masarap? Check na check! Mukhang masarap? Ayan guys, kita nyo naman. Check na check! Lasang masarap? Check na check! Kagat na masarap? Check na check! Nagmulan? Sarap! Crunchy!
Siguradong winner sa panlasa ni Kuya Sky. Sa mga sigurista mamis tulad ko, try the pre to check with Magnolia Golden Crunch na rin! Bye! Also available in sweet and spicy flavor.